Back in the new video. In this video I'm going to explain the various function of the roots. Okay, so root perform two kinds of function. Okay, the first is primary. Primary means the main function. Okay, so primary function, and the next one is the secondary function. Secondary means they will do their main function, but in addition to that they will perform certain other works also. Okay, so there are two kind of function of the root. The first is the primary and the secondary. So we will discuss it one by one. So primary is, first is anchorage. Okay, so anchorage means what? Anchorage means it will fix the plant to the soil. Okay, so fixing of plant in soil. Okay, the second primary function of the root is water and mineral absorption from the soil. Okay, and the third is it prevent soil erosion. Okay, so what is soil erosion? Soil erosion is flowing away of the top layer of the soil. Okay, when there is a high water flow, so the root, it will just fix the plant to the soil, and in that way it will bind to the soil, and in that way it will prevent the flowing of the top layer of the soil, and the topmost layer of the soil is the most fertile. Okay, that's why the plants are very important for the earth. So these are the three primary function of the roots. In addition to the primary function, they will have the secondary function also, like it helps in floating. Okay, the roots help in floating of plants in aquatic plants. Okay, second, the some roots, they can help in the vegetative propagation. That is, we can multiply the plants using the roots. So they will help in vegetative propagation. Okay, it will happen through roots. For example, in sweet potato. Okay, third, they can also assimilate or synthesize food. Okay, so assimilation and synthesis of food. Okay, it can also happen in the roots. Example, in the Tinospora. Okay, so in the Tinospora, the root will assimilate and synthesize the food. The fourth secondary function of the root is in the respiration. Okay, so the root, it can help in the respiration process also. And for example, in the rhizospora, the roots are respiratory roots. Okay, so help in respiration. The next is the storage of food. So the most common example is the radish. Okay, so the synthesized food, it will be stored in the root. Seventh, the root act as a climbers. Okay, example, in the ivy, the root will help in climbing the plant. Okay, then the next secondary role is supportive function. Okay, the supportive role, for example, in the maize, that is azea maize, the prop or the still root, they will help to support and keep the plant erect. Okay, and the last secondary function of the root is symbiotic association. So what this symbiotic association will do, it will help the plant to absorb nitrogen and phosphorus. Okay, so this is all in this present video. Thank you for watching the video.